If you woke up and the power was out, could you feed your family breakfast? What if the power went out for a month? What's in your pantry? These crispy, fluffy, diner-worthy strawberry waffles will have your family jumping out of bed, even if the internet is down. Yes, it's a prepper meal, but perfect for any breakfast, just like all my recipes straight from the pantry. You've heard to stock up on beans and rice to feed your family in emergencies. Gross. I'm turning the prepping food community upside down. No more beans and rice, no more buckets of nasty pouch food. All my recipes make your daily life easier and double as emergency food. It's a 2-for-1, and I'm going to help you get your pantry stocked. These delicious, satisfying, warm your soul strawberry waffles are what childhood memories are made of. But I have to tell you a secret. You could buy the ingredients for this meal and store it away for a year in Mylar bags, and it would be just as delicious as the day you bought it. That's why I love pantry meals. They are quick and easy for daily life, but also perfect to have on hand in case of emergencies, power outages, or heaven forbid, another global pandemic where those grocery lines were wrapping all the way around the store. Let me show you how to make this cozy morning, weekend-worthy, apocalypse-proof strawberry waffles straight from your pantry on the cast iron on your gas cooktop. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your refrigerator eliminator, the I hate to cook master. And I've hacked the Martha Stewart rigged system that has us locked in our kitchen for hours when there is a better way. Everything you need is in your pantry. No more hours of slicing and dicing. I show you how to make delicious quick meals for about $1 or $2, no hours of prep. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and I'll make sure that you never have to worry about meals again for tomorrow or 30 years from now. This bakery smelling hearty strawberry waffles is perfect to start your day. This is everything you're gonna need. Pancake mix, butter powder, and strawberry jelly. We're gonna preheat our waffle pan on your gas stovetop. In a mixing bowl, we're gonna combine our pancake mix with water. Mix well till there are no clumps. Let sit for about 4 to 5 minutes till the mixture starts to bubble. This step makes your waffles nice and fluffy. Grease your waffle griddle with cooking spray and dump your waffle mix right on the griddle. Close the waffle maker and flip it if needed. While we're waiting, we're gonna mix up our butter by combining equal parts butter powder and water. After about 4 to 5 minutes, you can peek on your waffles and see if they're ready yet. It may take a couple more minutes, depending on the size of your waffle maker and the heat of your stove. Place your hot waffle on your plate, top it with butter while it's still warm so the butter melts in all the crevices. Top it with strawberry jam. The result, crispy, fluffy, so sweet and delicious strawberry waffles. Keep this recipe for an easy breakfast even when the power goes out. If meals have been feeling like a never-ending burden, it's time to ditch the Martha Stewart ideals and follow me for quick, shelf-stable meals and visit loadedpotato.org to find recipes, meal plans, grocery list, and all my favorite fridge-free recipes. And while you're there, use our auto grocery calculator to stock your pantry like a boss for tomorrow and 30 years from now. Just pick your meals and we'll build your grocery list for you and put it straight in your Walmart or Amazon cart, all free. Never worry about a meal ever again. loadedpotato.org. Till next time.